The following contest is a champion versus champion boiler room match, and the only way to win is to escape right up those stairs right there. Introducing first, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, weighing at 139 pounds, Pedro, the Extreme Champion. Here he comes. And his opponent from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, weighing at 130 pounds, he is the hardcore champion, Dylan Cage. Look at this. Oh! Oh my God. Pedro would have never expected that on Dylan Cage's best day.
I'm trying to say.
He would have never expected it.
You're good?
Wow. What a start to this champion versus champion boiler room.
Cherish it.
Pedro's up. He's got that metal plate in hand.
Thanks for the offer.
Oh! Pedro just hit Dylan Cage just as hard. Oh my God. Oh, with the kick right to the face. Oh, with the punches. Dylan comes right back with him. Oh, he's having a brawl with punches. Oh my God. Back and forth. Oh my God. Dylan Cage gets the advantage.
I want my offer back.
Oh my God, that plate sounds so painful. Dylan Cage with the kick right to Pedro's leg. Going to spamming kicks onto Pedro. Oh no, he got the garbage can. Oh! Ew! Ew! Dylan Cage getting a huge advantage. What's he grabbing? Oh no, he's trying. He has him. He has him. Pedro's right in front of us. Oh no, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Oh my God! Don't using those chains as brass knuckles. Oh my! Wow. Wow. Pedro is down.
You don't got balls. Neither will you.
Oh! Oh my god, there goes Pedro's genitals. Now he's just beating him with that chain. Oh, he's gonna... Oh, he's digging into Pedro's face with that chain. He's digging into the face of Pedro. Oh my goodness. There's Cage going. Pedro Padre, the Extreme Champion, his contract runs out at Gauntlet. And if he can beat CSI at the Gauntlet match, and what a hit with the title, his own title. And if he can beat CSI for his Extreme title, he will leave HCW and WDW with his Extreme title. Pedro picking up that horseshoe. Oh. Okay.
No mercy for the last 2 weeks to this company. I'm running out of time, bro.
Who knows if CSI will be able, or even anyone, if anyone decides to put him in a title match before this. Don Cage just hits the pole really hard with his face. Pedro and
Where's Big Jake to save you now?
he's on vacation somewhere with that injured foot of his. Cage trying to get back into control. Oh, Cage is grabbing that ladder. Where are they going with this? Oh, Pedro's shoulder rammed right into that pole. There's so many poles, and they can be used as so many weapons. As I step in whatever that stuff is. Oh, oh, you almost dropped that. And now he's beating Pedro with it. Trying to get up. Pedro. Oh, that punt by Don Cage.
Ban the power driver from me. This here right here, right now.
HCW did ban the pile driver. Don Cage is trying to do it right here. He's risking fines, he's risking suspensions, he's risking everything if he pulls that off. Oh, where are they going? Oh, right into the ladder goes Don Cage. No! Oh! What a kick by Pedro! Don is holding his face in agony. Oh my god. Oh no, Pedro's doing it. Oh, Don's back up. He's back up. What's he doing? Oh, push Pedro down. Oh, Pedro. Oh no! What? Oh! Throws Don Cage right on all those tarps. And those tarps are not soft. They are dead hard. Oh my god. Those are hard. That had to hurt his back so badly.